Hello students, welcome to class 8th. Last week we have seen a memory poem Lessons in Life. In this video we will learn figures of speech which is given in this poem. First of all we will understand what figures of speech exactly is. What is a figures of speech? Figures of speech is a figurative language. That is a language which is used to draw picture mentally to convey our message or idea much quicker, effective and vividly. In English, there are many figures of speech. Out of each, we are going to learn only 3 figures of speech, namely simile, metaphor, and alliteration. First, simile. A simile is a figure of speech that uses comparison between two unlike things. It is done using words like and as. These two things must have one thing in common. Let's understand simile with some examples. First one, our soldiers are as brave as a lion. Here we are comparing two different things, soldier and lion, using a word as. And what is one thing that is common between both of them? It is their bravery. They both are known for their bravery. So here, as brave as a lion is a simile. Let's look into another example. Second, she is like an angel. Here, a girl is compared with an angel using the word like, and the common thing between them is beauty of both of them. So here, like an angel is a simile. Next comes metaphor. A metaphor is a figure of speech that uses comparison between two unlike things. These two things must have one thing in common. Now you might be thinking, in simile also we said the same thing, but there is a difference between both of them. While in simile we use words like and as by comparing two things. Here we do not use that. Let's see the previous example of simile and try to convert it into a metaphor. Our soldiers are as brave as a lion. Removing as brave as, it becomes our soldiers are lion. In this statement also, our soldiers is compared with lion. And the common thing between them is their bravery. But we have not used the word as. Thus, we can say in the statement, our soldiers are brave as a lion, we used a simile, but when we say our soldiers are lion, we use a metaphor. Let's look into some more examples. The camel is the ship of the desert. Here, the comparison between camel and ship is made by saying that the both are equal, without using any comparison word. So, this is a metaphor. Let's look into one more example. Life is a dream. Here, comparison between life and dream is made by saying that the both are equal, without using any comparison word. So, these are the examples of metaphor. Next comes alliteration. Alliteration is a figure of speech wherein initial sounds of words are repeated. For example, cartoons and carrots can be carried in crazy cars. Here we can see the sound C is repeated multiple times at the start of the word. One more example, big brown bears buy bunches of blueberries. Here the sound B is repeated multiple times at the start of the word. So it's an example of an alliteration. Please remember that alliteration is dependent on the beginning sounds of word and not the beginning letter. For example, cat is not alliterative with choice, but it is alliterative with kick. So in alliteration, initial sound of words are repeated, not a letter. Now look at this poem Lessons in Life. We are going to find out the poetic devices which I just taught. See the first line. Having a friend is like planting a flower. Here we are comparing having a friend with planting a flower using the word like, and the common thing between them is kindness. So like planting a flower is a simile. Another one figures of speech also is here. Having a friend is like planting a flower. Here we can see the sound F is repeated twice at the start of the word. So this is alliteration. Like this only you have to find out the poetic devices. I hope you can understood clearly. Thank you.